Hi there. Today, let's uncover the opportunities of the Virto Commerce Store Module. Virto Commerce is a natively headless B2B e-commerce platform. This means that our customers can add an unlimited number of stores or touchpoints, whether B2B and B2C or multi-platform solutions, where your customers can work with web and mobile or different websites for different regions. Our customers are completely free here. From the backend point of view, to create a channel, we should create a store. When you create a store here, it will automatically appear in the API. For each store, you can select all the necessary internationalization parameters, such as language or currency. You can identify all the dependencies that are important for the functioning of the new store. For example, which payment and shipping providers should be available for this store, which warehouses are visible to end users, time zones, and more. Virto has all the necessary built-in features for internationalization. Use any currency, multiple languages in the catalog, local payment and shipping methods. When you create a cross-platform experience involving both web and mobile, it's possible to establish a connection between a mobile store and a web store. The users will utilize identical credentials across both platforms. Virto also provides straightforward management of these store links. Thank you for watching. If you still have questions and want to learn more about Virto extensible modules, feel free to contact us to request a personal demo.